Zogam News, December 20th, 2024. On the evening of December 19th, 2024, in Tedim Township of Tedim District, Zomi Land, the ZPCC/ZRA EC Zomi Army initiated actions to halt and eliminate the activities of the CC group led by the CNA in the Zomi ethnic area. This group has been accused of disrespecting, torturing, and attempting to rule with power against democratic principles, while also mercilessly collecting taxes from the local Zomi people. The CNA-led armed group, known as the Chin Council CC, entered Zomi territory under the pretext of the Spring Revolution to invade and monopolize the area, even drafting a Chinland Constitution to dictate the entire Chin state. To safeguard Zogam, the ZRO/ZRA is taking swift and decisive action as outlined in the Zogam Charter. We urge the Zomi people to remain steadfast in adhering to the principles set forth by the ZPCC/ZRA EC and to unite in eliminating invading terrors from our Zomi land, stated the official release from the Department of Information and Publicity of ZRA Eastern Command. Rights group advocates and Zomi leaders worldwide have raised concerns about the gravity of the situation in Zomi land. The unlawful and illegal entry of Chin National Front/Chin National Army-led armed groups, known as the Chin Council CC, poses a significant threat to the sovereignty and safety of the Zomi people. The use of the Spring Revolution as a pretext to expand and monopolize Zomi territory is a clear violation of the Zomi people's rights and autonomy. A prominent Zomi community leader vowed and said, "We will never surrender nor give even an inch of the Zomi land to invading and dictating armed groups in Zogam." The escalating conflict in Zomi land underscores the urgent need for international attention and intervention. The actions of the CNA-led Chin Council threaten the stability and sovereignty of the Zomi people, who are striving to uphold democratic principles and protect their homeland. As the ZPCC/ZRA EC Zomi Army continues its efforts to safeguard Zogam, the global community must recognize the critical importance of supporting the Zomi people's fight for their rights and autonomy. The situation remains tense, and the path to peace and stability will require concerted efforts from local and international stakeholders.